Ever wondered why honey has been a sweet staple in human diets for thousands of years? Could it be more than just its rich golden allure? Indeed, honey, particularly natural honey, holds a myriad of benefits that extend far beyond its delightful taste. Firstly, consider honey as a natural energy booster. With its 17 grams of carbohydrates per tablespoon, it provides an excellent source of unprocessed sugar energy. Imagine starting the day on a sweet note with a spoonful of honey. That's a natural kick of energy to keep you going. Secondly, honey, in its raw form, serves as a remarkable cough suppressant. A spoonful of honey can soothe an irritated throat, reducing cough and promoting a peaceful night's sleep. No need to worry about those nagging coughs anymore. Moving on, honey also promotes digestive health. It does wonders in dealing with issues such as diarrhea, indigestion, stomach ulcers, and gastroenteritis. The reason: honey's antibacterial and antifungal properties. Next, consider honey as a potent healer. For centuries, honey has been used as a topical treatment for minor cuts and burns. Its natural enzymes can promote healing and reduce infection. Furthermore, honey is a champion for skincare. Its natural antioxidants can help improve skin health, making it a popular ingredient in many skincare products. Now, don't forget about honey's role in heart health. It can help to lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce the risk of heart disease, and even help regulate blood pressure. Lastly, honey can also aid in weight management. It's a healthier alternative to processed sugars and can help control cravings, especially when paired with warm water and lemon. In a nutshell, honey is a sweet wonder with numerous health benefits. It serves as a natural energy booster, a soothing cough suppressant, a promoter of digestive health, a potent healer, a champion of skincare, a friend to the heart, and an ally in weight management. So the next time you see that jar of golden honey, remember, it's not just a sweet treat, it's a powerhouse of health benefits waiting to be unlocked. Honey truly is a gift that keeps on giving.
हेलो व्यूअर्स, वेलकम टू हेल्थिस्तान यूट्यूब चैनल। दोस्तों, अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पे क्लिक करें।